How to see who shared your Instagram post. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we will launch Instagram app and make sure to log into your account. Head towards profile icon at bottom right corner. Now tap on three-line menu icon at top right corner. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and then you will see the option for professionals. As I already have made my professional account, if you haven't, then you need to go towards setting and activity section and switch to your professional account. For that, you need to scroll to the bottom and select account type and tools. Tap switch to professional account and continue. Select what best describes you and tap on down button. Now select if you are a creator or business and select next button. Here you need to set up your professional account, and once done completely, close the Instagram application. Again, open Instagram and now go to profile feed. Scroll down and choose any particular post where you want to see who shared your Instagram post. Now tap on three dots at top right corner of the screen and here select view insights. From this page, you will see all sorts of information and data based on your video or post slash reel. You can see how many people liked it, how many commented, and how many have shared your post right over here as well. Amount of people that have saved your Instagram post. You can also scroll down and see more data, and you can also see how many people or how many people were followers and non-followers. So you basically see all the data from this inside. So in this way you can easily see who shared your Instagram post. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.